What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Ford Expedition's blower motor fan if you have it stuck on super high or super low. So the problem here in my wife's 2013 Ford Expedition, she got into it one day and she could not get the controls to work with the fan. It was blowing 60 degrees non-stop, and she's like, hey, look, something's wrong with my air conditioner. And I said, oh. So I got onto some forums to figure out what it is, because I am by no means a mechanic, and I was told to check the blower motor resistor. So I ordered one off of Amazon, but you can get it from your local parts store, and I put it in. It was real fast, 2 bolts, and now I have fixed the problem within I'd say maybe 15 minutes max, if that. So I'm going to show you in this video how to replace it and where it is located. Okay, so first things first, your glove box. It's going to be located behind your glove box, and what you want to do is drop the glove box. So in order to do that, on the glove box right here where my fingers are at, there are 2 plastic pins. You just simply take the side of your glove box, because it is plastic, like Rubbermaid, and you simply just push in like so, and then it will drop it. Now you'll have access behind here, and the part that you need to gain access to is that right there. I don't know if you can see that silver bolt right there. Sorry for the light. Let's try it this way. Where this flashlight is, this right here is what you're wanting to repair. Now again, this is at nighttime, and I apologize, so visibility is not all the greatest, but that piece right there where that silver bolt is, that's what you want to replace. And this is what it looks like. 2 bolts. I use a 5/16 bit to take it out. The quick connect is right here. You simply just take your thumb, push down, slide the part out, stick this part back in its place, put the 2 screws back in, snap that in, put your glove box back up, and you're good to go. Quick tip: in order to get to the first bolt here, you're going to go underneath the dash, not through here, because you're not going to have a lot of room to work with a wrench. So you're going to have to come from up underneath. But I also found, in order to access the back bolt on the other side, furthest from me, I actually, instead of having this was in my way, I actually put this back up so I can reach my hand underneath the dash, and my head is about right here. My arm is extended up into the back side of here, and I had easier access to that bolt. So I hope this helps. Again, if your blower motor is stuck on high or low and you can't change, then chances are it could be this blower motor resistor. You can get it at your parts store. You can get it off of Amazon. Just take a look at it and type in your vehicle, answer all the questions it asks, and it should direct you to the part that you need. So if this video has helped you, do us a favor, show your support, smash that thumbs up button for us, consider subscribing. We do have a few videos on this channel. The reason I'm making these videos is because a lot of the times it's hard to find information on how to fix these vehicles without sending them to a dealership, so you can be charged, $300-400 to fix a $40 problem. So again, thank you for viewing, and until next video.